Hello everyone. Now in this video we will study next part or next accessory for measuring linear distance or linear measurements. Okay. Now this is very important accessory which is chain. Hmm? Uh, these diagram shows the typical structure of chain. Here you can see this is your brass handle. This shape is your brass handle. This is your collar. This is your eye bolt, and this straight horizontal line is nothing but your circular ring. Okay. Now these are the links and links, and these shapes which they have highlighted as a 10, 90, 20, 80, 30, 70, 40, 60, 50. These are tallies. Okay, these are the tallies. If the tally is at the starting of your chain, then it is of one tooth. Okay, then at equal interval the second tally is provided which is of two teeth. Okay, then at equal interval third tally will provided which is of three two teeth, then fourth tally, and then fifth tally. Now if suppose this chain is of 20 meters, okay, 20 meters, then uh, the middle will be 10 meters. ओके अगर ये चेन 20 मीटर की है तो 10 मीटर्स पे क्या होगा, आपका सेंटर होगा. ओके तो 10 मीटर्स की जो टैली होगी वो फुल्ली राउंडेड शेप्ड होगी. ओके फुल्ली राउंडेड शेप्ड होगी, सो दैट इफ वी आर प्लेसिंग दिस चेन ऑन ग्राउंड वी कैन easily काउंट द डिस्टेंस ऑन दैट चेन. ओके दैट मीन्स अगर ये चेन आपने ग्राउंड पे रखी है और आपको 10 मीटर कैलकुलेट करना है, 20 मीटर की चेन है और 10 मीटर्स कैलकुलेट करना है, तो आप इजीली कह सकते हैं कि जहाँ पे भी सर्कुलर टैली है वो डिस्टेंस आपका क्या हो गया, 10 मीटर्स हो गया. ओके उसके पहले और उसके आगे क्या होगा कि जो ईच टैली है दैट ईच टैली विल बी प्लेस्ड एट द इक्वल इंटरवल. ओके in increasing order of teeths. Now this chain is prepared with 100 or 150 pieces of galvanized mild steel wire of 4 diameter. Okay this is of steel wire and of 4 diameter. Okay now if you are seeing this, यहाँ पे 20 मीटर की चेन दिखाई है. This is your brass ring. Now this brass ring is attached here on each tally, upper side of the tally. Okay अभी एक लिंक, ये एक कंसेप्ट आती है LINK लिंक. तो लिंक क्या होता है कि सेंटर टू सेंटर डिस्टेंस जो है आपके ब्रास रिंग का, सेंटर टू सेंटर डिस्टेंस, दैट सेंटर टू सेंटर डिस्टेंस इज योर वन लिंक. ओके वन लिंक. अभी सपोज ये सेंटर है और ये सेंटर है ब्रास रिंग का, तो उसके सेंटर से यहाँ इस सेंटर तक जो भी डिस्टेंस आएगा दैट डिस्टेंस इज योर वन लिंक. ओके नाउ सपोज 30 मीटर चेन इज देयर, देन दैट 30 मीटर चेन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 150 links, or if the 20 meter chain is there, then that chain is divided into 100 links. Okay so now the types of chains are of different types, like metric chain, steel band, engineer's chain, gunter's chain, and revenue chain. Okay so first of all the metric chain. Metric chain is of 20 meters to 30 meters length, which is usually used for the survey work. 20 मीटर की भी होती है एंड 30 मीटर्स की भी होती है. नाउ 20 मीटर चेन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 100 लिंक्स एंड 30 मीटर चेन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 150 links. Okay so each link on the 20-meter chain is 0.2 meters. Okay, each link is of 0.2 meters, and of 30-meter chain also each link is of 0.2 meters. Okay, now you can see here central tally is rounded shape and first tally is shaped of one tooth. Okay, I hope you understood the structure of chain. Steel bands is the ribbon of steel of 16 mm width and 20 or 30-meter length, which is steel band is available in the length of 20 or 30 meters. Now steel bands are graduated in meters, decimeters, centimeters on one side, and has 0.2 meter links on other side. Okay, now the engineer's chain, third one is engineer's chain. Engineer's chain is 100 feet long and divided into 100 links. 100 feet long and divided into 100 links, so one link is obviously 1 feet. And again the same part is there. The central tally of engineer's chain is rounded shaped. Okay, now the fourth is gunter's chain. Gunter's chain is again 66 feet long and divided into 100 links, so 0.6 feet will be your one link. Okay, now the revenue chain is 33 feet long and divided into 16 links. These are the types of chain which are used generally for chaining purpose. This is your 30-meter chain, which is same as 20 meters chain, only here the central tally is 3, having 3 teeth. Okay, if you are measuring distance from either side, the problem will not occur, because the central tally is having equal on both sides. Central tally is having sorry, both the tallies from starting to central are of identical. Okay, now the tapes can be classified as cloth or linen tape, metallic tape, steel tape, invar tape. Okay, now cloth or linen tape. The cloth or linen tape is made up of closely woven linen and 15 mm wide and 10 to 15 meters long. Metallic tape is the if the linen tape is reinforced with brass or copper wire, then that tape is called as your metallic tape, and the tape is 15, 20, 30 meters long. Now the steel tape. Steel tape is the steel ribbon of width varying from 6 to 16 mm long and available in the length of 10, 15, 20, 30 and 50 meters. Now the invar tape is mostly made up of alloy of steel and nickel, and the width of invar tape is 6 mm and the length is 30, 60 and 100 meters. Okay, these are the different types of tapes. Mostly we are going to use the cloth or linen tape or steel tape. Okay, now the arrows. This is very simple concept. Suppose for survey work, the distance is greater than 30 or 60 meters, then we are going to place 2 to 3 chains, okay, on the ground. Now to identify number of chains which are actually placed on the ground, we are going to put arrows on the ends of each chain. Okay, so that if if we have placed 2 chains, then 2 arrows are there will be there on the ground, so that we can easily count the chains, number of chains on the ground. Okay, so the structure of arrows are like this. This diagram shows the structure of arrow, which is rounded at the one end and pointed at the end. Okay, this point is for dragging the this arrow into the ground, same as like a ranging rod. Ranging rod is also having iron shoe or point on the one end. Okay, these arrows are steel wire of 3 mm diameter. One end of this arrow is bent, we can see here, and the diameter of this bended portion or circular portion is 50 mm. Okay, and other end is pointed. Now the overall length of this arrow is 400 mm. It's very small, and the arrows can be easily arrows are used for easy counting of chains. Okay, now these are the accessories, all the accessories which we are going to use for uh, surveying process or process for measurement of horizontal distances. Okay, thank you.